was not just about money. It was about having faith in the economy's resilience, in the potential of companies to bounce back, and in the power of patience. Take Warren Buffett, for example. He is known for his ability to spot opportunities amidst crises. His mantra: be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful. And this philosophy has made him one of the wealthiest men in the world. So, in the end, it's not just about how much money you have. It's about how much courage you have. Do you have the courage to invest when everyone else is selling? Do you have the patience to hold on when everyone else is panicking? If the answer is yes, then you might just be looking at a golden opportunity the next time the market crashes. And who knows? You might just end up being richer than you ever imagined. So, the next time you hear about a market crash, remember this. It's not the end of the world. It's possibly the start of a golden opportunity. An opportunity that could make you wealthy. And remember, investing in the stock market is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It's about staying the course, even when the going gets tough. Because, as history has shown us, those who stay the course often end up winning the race. So, were you to invest in the stock market at the height of the crisis, you'd likely be richer than you think. And while the roads to wealth may be turbulent, the rewards at the end are definitely worth it. In conclusion, crises are not necessarily a time of loss. They can be a time of opportunities. Opportunities that can make you richer than before. So, the next time the market crashes, do not panic. Instead, see it as an opportunity to invest and grow your wealth. Because, as they say, fortune favors the brave.